Morning everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're changing all 4 tyres on the Boxster 986. I've got my good friends N&C Tyres coming around. Alan's company, we've got Paul coming around today. We're going to change them all. These have got Conti Sport Contact 3s on. They are very old. These have probably got about 2 mil left, maybe a bit more than that, but they are very old. If we look for the date, we can see, where was it? Notice this when I bought them. I think these ones are 08 or something silly like that. Let's have a look. I can't quite see. Oh, there we are. They're 2014, 7 months. It's on the back, and these are the slightly smaller ones. But these ones, these Contis as well. Yeah, they are. These are Contis as well. These, I think, are even older. This particular one. Anyway, yeah, look at that. I don't know if you can see that, but that's 30th week of 2011. Lots of cracking. So we're off to see a good mate Ian and his wife Lizzie this weekend in Swanage, and I'm not going all that way with these tyres. So let's just have a look around. The one at the front, again, Conti Contact 3s, 0415. Not the best, very low on tread, very low. And then the final one, again, another Conti, and a, what is it on this one? 0714, so the same as the other rear one. So what I've got coming is Pirellis on all 4. I've bitten the bullet. Always use Alan, he's really good, really competitive as well, and the benefit is that he does them at the house, all balanced valves, the lot. So I'm just waiting for Paul to turn up, who's been here many times. He's put the tyres on the Range Rover, Freelander, the Audi, the Peugeot. He's done all of our cars. So when he arrives, we'll get the wheels off, and what I want to do is also, I haven't had the wheels off this yet, is to just have a look at the state of the brakes and the pads really, just to see if there's anything that's going to need looking at whilst the wheels are off. So, just wait for him to turn up. And here they come. Comes Alan and Paul. Hopefully he's not going to mind if we record, but I'll ask him first and I'll go from there. Yeah, excellent. What did we go for in the end? Was it Pirelli Sport 4s, wasn't it, or something? I think Michelin. Oh, it's Michelin's, was it? Oh, okay. I thought we went to Pirelli. SP4. I don't know. I think so. Can't remember what we went for. Yeah, because they're 2 different sizes, obviously, aren't they? Yeah. Excellent. Yeah, no, they're 17, so they're a bit. Because I was going to upgrade to 18s.
These are.
And then, yeah.
You find a lot of stuff that goes into Porsche, and that if they want to recommend anything, it's
these
Sport 4s. Yeah, I think a lot of them do rant and rave about the 4Ss, but that's only the stuff that you can't get the 4Ss if you can get them.
Right. Okay.
Whereas these are the next best thing.
Yeah.
They don't do them in 4S.
No.
4s are just as good. I've not long put them on the Golf R.
Oh, have you? Okay.
Yeah, and they can actually.
Oh, I didn't know you had a Golf R. Nice. Yeah. Well, it's my first Porsche, so I don't really know what to expect, but I just know. I mean,
I was looking for something. My granddad left me some money.
Okay.
I wanted to get something really nice.
Prices are really good.
I looked at. I looked at a Nissan GTR, just something really quick. I was something fun.
Yeah.
If I had to bring it and sell it.
Yeah.
Just something. I really want to get something nice, and I thought I looked at the GTRs, and then someone said they just cost a fortune to keep maintaining. And you know, if you're gonna, it's the sort of car that you want in the garage, not outside. So I scrapped that with BMW M4. I like that. I spoke to a guy at PMW in Stevenage, Paul. I spoke to him and he went, "You're naming all these cars." He said, "Go and get a 991, a 997 or something."
987?
No, it's 997.
997. So that's
997 Gen 2.
Yeah. Okay.
Gen 2. He said that was. He said you'll pick one up for 30k. He said a year, 10 years. you'll
get the money back.
He said, if you go and buy any of them other cars, you'll lose 10k straight. He said, honestly, he said, and they are brilliant. He said, they will sit on BMW. He said, and I was like, really? And I looked at them and I thought, actually, quite look at it.
Yeah. No, it's good. Yeah, I'm pleased with this so far. It's nice.
Yeah. I was going to say, have you done anything to it?
No, standard.
Really? Have you cleaned it up and stuff?
The previous owner,
really detailed
it never went out in the winter.
Right.
It's October to April, which was in a heated garage.
Heated garage?
Yeah, heated garage, tiled,
nice.
well looked after.
Good, this was good.
Yeah, so no, I've not done.
That's what he said to me. If you're going to get one, you need to make sure you get one that's not. He said a lot of them are rotten.
Yeah.
What year is this?
This is a Y, so it is 2001.
Wow.
Yeah, so it's kind of classic territory now.
Yeah, definitely.
Yeah, but no, it is immaculate. It's done 88 I think, yeah, 88,000.
Kept this nice.
Yeah.
What prices are they? Do you know?
I don't, mate. It's inside the door shut though, I think. Is it on that one or is it on passenger? Ah, the handbook's underneath the steering wheel there, Paul. When you've done that one, I'll have a look.
Oh, okay.
Actually, I can open it
I
now.
know they're about 32 all round.
Let's have a look. Three 145 188. There you go. Summer and winter, front's 29s, rear's 36.
Perfect, that sounds about right.
All right.
Cool.
That's all. Paul's got the wheel off. Let's have a look at the brakes. Yeah. Oh, very good. No lip on there. Plenty of meat on the pads as well. All looking very, very clean under there. All good. No surprises. Nice red calipers. I'll show you what I treated myself to when you're finished. It's in the garage. I'll show you what I treated myself to. It's in the garage.
Yeah.
All right. No, well, I've not touched it. No, I only had it since July.
I know this one. I see that one a couple of marks on the spot.
Yeah, no, I've not.
Pretty clean.
Yeah, well, he owned it for 11 years, and then before that, it was a retired guy in Eastbourne.
Right.
And then before that, I think it had a couple of owners.
Even these are really common to all break up.
Yeah.
The majority of all these old Porsches, when I take them off, there's nothing left of them.
Yeah.
And I'm having to say to customers that you need to get these replaced because they're so unsafe.
Yeah.
These are all new.
Well, it's gone to. It's had new coil packs in the back, and he even changed the two bolts that hold the coil packs in to stainless steel because they were going rusty, and he didn't like it. Yeah, and it's got anodised sump plug and things like that in it. Little bits that don't really matter, but you just prove that it's been looked after. Yeah. It's got, it's got Apple CarPlay in it as well. We put that in it.
Yeah.
And it's got a great big amp under the front here, like a Sony Explode one. So it's quite old.
Right.
But all wired up and all upgraded.
So, what head you get?
Oh, it's just a Chinese thing. Oh. Yeah, it's just a, you know.
That's what the guy says to me. Go get that one. So look at the Pioneer head unit on it. It's an happy day.
Yeah.
That's all you need.
No, it's really good. Yeah, them tyres are getting worse every time I look at them. got some meat on these, haven't they?
Better, don't it?
Yeah, much better.
Do you want them? Have you got all 4 mil dust caps still on this? You haven't yet? That one I've just taken, I've put a normal one on that, but
okay.
I think we've actually got the same on all 4, so we'll put them back on.
Yeah, okay, mate, yeah. Oh, that's fine.
You put on, are they on
No, I've not touched it at all. No, I've washed it once. I think that's about it. I did find 2 spare ones in the trunk.
These are really, really good dust caps.
Yeah?
Yeah, they look metal, but they're not, they're plastic.
Oh, okay.
And I always say, don't put little dust caps on. Something like this, I'm like, don't put them on, but then when you actually look, they're actually plastic.
Yeah. These are 25-year tyres as well. That's good. How's the brakes on this? Let's see if we've got... Yeah. Yeah, discs are in good order, aren't they? It's the first time I've looked at them.
How is it?
Yeah. Oh.
Yeah, they look really good. No lip at all.
No. Yeah, all very good. Very pleased with that. Let's have a look at the rears. Look okay. No lip. Plenty of grip. Any issues down there? Leaks from the coil packs, brakes look okay. And up there looks okay as well. Great stuff, looking good. Yep, all good there. Just a bit of meat as well. from that point of view. Looking pretty dry as well. Very dry actually. Brakes look alright. Very, very good. Make these are, but they're very good.
Fronts are really short.
I never noticed, mate.
Yeah, so the front ones have had like Porsche ones, like they're really short and stubby. Like
okay, yeah.
Luckily I keep a load. Well, I say I keep a load. I keep 10 on the van.
Oh, okay.
So I've changed obviously the fronts just because I know they're new then, and then I've get them long ones out and put them in the front rear as well.
Okay, brilliant.
All matching now.
Cheers, mate. Thank you. Much appreciated.
Everyone says to me, why do you keep so much stuff on your van? And that's why.
It's experience. Yeah.
Amount of times I've come out and someone's wheel bolt's missing, and I've got a spare one.
Yeah. Great stuff.
You never know when your old sods are going to get used.
I'm clearing out the garage at the minute and trying to get rid of stuff. It's painstakingly hard because it's like I'm going to need that, and I haven't touched it for 5 years. You know, and you think, oh no, get rid of it.
Much better on some Michelins.
Yeah. Yeah. Wicked. What do you talk these up to, Paul?
110.
110, yeah.
You don't need to go crazy with these ones. Locking up, just nip. I don't go crazy with that.
No.
They lock themselves on over time, and you just can't get them off.
Yeah. I might get rid of them, to be fair. Just more. This is going to sit in the garage. It's not going to be left anywhere really.
No.
Only the tyres that are the.
You know what I always say to people, you don't find cars on bricks nowadays.
No.
If they want it, they just take the car now, come in there and get the keys.
Exactly. Yeah, it's true.
I wish they would just take the wheels.
Yeah. Brilliant. Job's a good one. All nice new Michelin Sport Pilots or Pilot Sport 4s. All done. Not Pirellis, as I said earlier on. Must have misheard. But anyway, these are better tyres. Great stuff. Thanks very much, NSC Tyres, as always. Great service. I'll put the link below. And thanks for watching. See you in the next one. Like, subscribe and share, and cheerio for now.